Tamil Nadu does not attend HRD's virtual meet on NAP. The Tamil Nadu government on Monday did not attend an online meet by Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on the National Education Policy 2020, saying it did not get a favorable response from the centre from a ministry-level discussion on NAP. Pokhriyal had conveyed the meeting with the state education secretaries to discuss implementation of NAP 2020 and other matters. The newly formed DMK government had sought discussion at ministry level on amending the NAP. We even offered our views as a solution to various problems that may arise due to the implementation of the NAP in the present form. But the centre has not responded and decided to go ahead with the secretary level meeting. So we did not attend the meeting. School Education Ministers Anil Mahesh told reporters in the Tiruchirappalli. He said the state government had earlier received a communication from the centre about today's meeting to discuss how to manage education during the pandemic, the status of the implementation of NAP and online education, where officials concerned were asked to attend it. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin took exceptions to the saying there wasn't a school education minister in the elected government and that such an approach was against federalism. Mahesh said, adding he subsequently took up the matter of him being included in today's meeting but had not received any reply yet. Objecting to the tactic implementation of Hindi and Sanskrit through the three-language formula, the minister said centralization of the education is unacceptable as it was not in practice even in the developed nations yet. Delhi can't decide what the people of Tamil Nadu, especially our rural students, should learn. Tamil Nadu's two languages policy has been in practice since the times of Anna, he added. DMK founder and the former Chief Minister C.N. Annadurai is addressed as Anna. NAP's proposed three-language formula has been witnessing stiff opposition in Tamil Nadu, with the previous AIADMK government also making it clear earlier that the state will only follow the two-language system of Tamil and English in vogue for decades in the state, recalling the letter the Tamil Nadu government wrote to the Union Education Ministry on the issue. Mahesh said that he sought a meeting at the ministerial level and was willing to present his view and recommendation on the NAPs at ministerial meeting. Pokhriyal had conveyed Monday's meeting with the state education secretaries to review the COVID situation, online education and work around NAPs. Through the policy, the centre insists that there should be two Indian languages. Tamil will naturally be the first language here. But the centre is taking as if English does not exist for Ilat's elite. The implementation of three-language policy would pave the way for the imposition of Hindi and Sanskrit, they contended. Ours is a multicultural and a multilinguistic society. We can't expect the imposition of Hindi and Sanskrit implementation. The three-language policy will not benefit our rural students. DMK stands by its policies, the minister said. He said the DMK also against board exams of the class 3, 5 and 8 and claimed that the NAP is silent on reservation.